we'll guide you through how to download files from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're in your Dropbox homepage, you'll see a list of your files and folders. Navigate to the file or folder you want to download. If it's a single file, hover over it with your cursor and you'll see a little checkbox appear on the left side. Click the checkbox to select the file. For folders, you can do the same thing. After selecting the file or folder, look towards the top of the page for a row of icons. Click on the download icon, which looks like a downward arrow. The file or folder will start downloading automatically to your default download location on your computer. If you're downloading a folder, Dropbox will compress it into a zip file for you. If you're downloading multiple files, you can select them all by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or CMD key on Mac while clicking to choose multiple files. Then hit the download button just like before. Remember, you can always change your download settings in your browser if you want to specify a different location for your files. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded your files from Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.